Hello everyone, welcome to Cosmic Vision. What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, you're traveling through space at nearly 67,000 miles per hour? You don't feel it. You don't see it, but you're flying through the universe at unbelievable speed. Space isn't just big. It's not just mysterious. It's mind-breaking. Today, we are diving into 10 unbelievable space facts that sound fake, but are absolutely real. And trust me, by the end of this video, the universe will feel a lot bigger, and you might feel a little smaller. Let's begin. 1. You are traveling through space. And the sun? It's orbiting the center of the Milky Way at around 828,000 kilometers per hour. That means you, sitting still in your chair, are moving faster than a bullet fired from a gun. And yet, you feel nothing.
Why?
Because everything around you is moving at the same speed. Motion is only felt when there's a change. So technically, you've never been in the same place in the universe twice. 2. The sun is 99.8% of our solar system's mass. The sun is so massive that it contains 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. That means every planet, including giant Jupiter, is just a tiny leftover compared to the sun. Inside the sun's core, nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium every second. And in just 1 second, it releases more energy than humanity has used in all of history. And here's the wild part. The sunlight touching your skin right now started its journey from the sun about 8 minutes ago. You're literally feeling ancient light. 3. Black holes don't suck like vacuums. Thanks to movies, we imagine black holes as cosmic vacuum cleaners pulling everything in. But that's not exactly true. A black hole only pulls objects that get too close, just like any other massive object. If the sun were magically replaced by a black hole of equal mass, Earth would continue orbiting normally. The difference? We'd freeze without sunlight. At the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*, with a mass equal to 4 million suns. And we are orbiting it right now. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Scientists estimate there are about 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. And there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That means the total number of stars is greater than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Just pause for a second and imagine that. Every star could have planets. Some of those planets could have oceans. Some oceans could have life. We might not be alone. 5. There's a planet made of diamonds. About 4,000 light years away, astronomers discovered a planet called 55 Concrete E. Scientists believe this planet may be rich in carbon, possibly forming massive diamond structures. Imagine a world where mountains sparkle like gemstones. But don't pack your bags just yet. Surface temperatures there reach over 20 degrees Celsius. It's beautiful, but deadly. 6. There is a giant water cloud in space. In 2011, astronomers found a massive cloud of water vapor floating around a distant quasar. This cloud holds 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Water, the key ingredient for life, isn't rare. It's everywhere. Which raises an important question. If water is common, could life be common too? 7. Looking at space is looking back in time. When you look at the moon, you see it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. When you look at the sun, you see it as it was 8 minutes ago. And when astronomers observe distant galaxies, they're seeing them as they were millions or even billions of years ago. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured galaxies formed shortly after the Big Bang. Telescopes are not just tools for distance. They are time machines. 8. Space isn't completely cold. We imagine space as freezing. And yes, the average temperature of space is about minus 270 degrees Celsius. But objects in direct sunlight can become extremely hot. On the moon, temperatures can swing from 127 degrees Celsius in sunlight to minus 173 degrees Celsius. Without atmosphere to regulate heat, space is a world of extremes. Hot enough to melt metal, cold enough to freeze air solid. 9. there's space junk orbiting Earth. Since the launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957, humans have been sending objects into space. Today, there are over 27,000 pieces of space debris tracked by scientists. Old satellites, broken rocket parts, fragments from collisions, and they travel at speeds of 28,000 kilometers per hour. Even a small piece can destroy an operational satellite. Space is becoming crowded. And we are made of star stuff. Every atom in your body heavier than hydrogen was formed inside a star. When massive stars exploded in supernova, they scattered elements like carbon, oxygen, iron, and calcium into space. Billions of years later, those atoms formed planets, and eventually you. As astronomer Carl Sagan famously said, "We are made of star stuff." You are literally cosmic material, rearranged into a conscious being, capable of understanding the universe that created you. Bonus fact, the universe is expanding faster and faster. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Galaxies are moving away from each other faster over time. Scientists call the mysterious force behind this dark energy. We don't fully understand it. In fact, about 95% of the universe is made of dark matter and dark energy, things we cannot see directly. Everything we know, stars, planets, people, makes up only about 5% of the cosmos. We are studying a universe mostly made of things we don't understand yet. Space isn't just far away. It's inside you, around you, moving beneath you. Every breath you take contains atoms forged in ancient stars. Every night sky you look at is a snapshot of history. And every question we answer about space creates 10 new mysteries. The universe is massive, ancient, beautiful, terrifying, and still mostly unknown. But here's the most incredible fact of all. After 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution, the universe became aware of itself.
Through you.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves space as much as you do. Because the more we learn, the more amazing this universe becomes. See you in the next cosmic adventure.